So what we have spoken about here is the wish manifestation ritual by tarot. There is a specific case study we have taken where we want the piece of land to get sold profitably so the person can buy his own residence and raise a family. We have spoken about candle of a particular color. We have spoken about chakra scanning, which of the chakras are affected of that person, and identified root and heart as imbalanced. So now we will do remedies for that. The crystals have been recommended. Crystals like red jasper, bloodstone, green tourmaline. Chromotherapy has been advocated. And more importantly, what is the visualization card for us? What is that one card which encapsulates the wish and the future goals of the client? Future goals of the client are extremely important. Ask him to clarify in words and write down an affirmation in 7 to 8 lines and repeat the affirmation 21 times every day. The candle should be lit for about 40 to 50 minutes in one session. 40 to 50 minutes. And the following wish manifestation ritual shall bring about the desired results. Minimum of 21 days this cycle has to be completed. Maximum as the intensity of the problem may be. And also the previous karmic baggage of the client is important here. Please remember, because we have to see the previous karmas of the person also. If he has a karmic baggage, wish will take certain time to manifest. As and when the negative karma is getting reduced, we will see the wish manifestation begin to take effect rapidly and positively. So in this way, we will give a complete recommendation of remedial package, remedies package. The details of each of these remedies is given in part 2, volume 2 of the book. Okay, that has been written and everybody has a copy of that. Okay, please keep a copy. It's very important because it has all the information in practical tables that you will have to use. So use it as a ready reckoner. And always give a disclaimer to your client telling him that I am hoping for a quick manifestation of your ritual, but it does depend a lot on your own intent and your previous karmas. Use the term previous karmic baggage. It's important for the person to get a correct perspective on when he can expect results.